Brutally honest review, okay? Burning sensation every time I used it for my legs. I'm sorry, Victoria's Secret. I really love you guys, but that's just not it. I am so sad that this is over. It does help, but I wouldn't tell you कि ये बस यही solution है hair growth के लिए. बुरा निचोड़ दिया है मैंने इसको. मतलब I'm not sure if it's just a marketing gimmick or does it even work, because it's not working so far. Then the second day, it got like all like fungusy and like bacteria shit. Chef's kiss. 10 on 10. You know if it's you or it's me, but my shampoo always gets over before my conditioner. I just don't know why. So now I have like 3 conditioners left, but unke shampoo pehle hi khatam ho gaya hai, to I'm still using it. And it smells so bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I have been dealing this video for the longest time, but when I tell you I have skincare empties worth 5 kgs, I'm not kidding. It's a bag full of skincare empties. I am not even kidding. It's so full. I've just been dealing this video with I've just been dealing this video for the longest time. So let's quickly go through this entire bag and review the products that I've used. Brutally honest review, okay? First up is the Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Acid Body Peel. Okay, this one was very, very mild on my skin. I only used it for exfoliating my legs. It did leave like a softer skin, like how you do a chemical peel for your face. Same thing for the body, but it was way milder, so it was good. So I use it for my legs. So if anyone has like strawberry legs or like needs a lot of exfoliation, you can try doing chemical peel, but make sure to apply sunscreen wherever you do a chemical peel, because it is going to damage your skin more. So this I would give like a 7 on 10. Okay, so next I have Glow Glossary's Magnesium Afterglow. This was the organic salt body scrub. So I'll tell you, this did have like the flower, it had chamomile and some soothing essential oils. I have literally finished it all. Yeah, and the spoon as well in it. So this I would give like a 7 on 10, because I felt like I really liked the softer body scrub. This felt a little more harsh on my skin, and it also left a weird tingling, burning sensation every time I used it for my legs and even my hands. So I just wanted to finish this product. I was not like looking forward to using the scrub again. You know what I say? Like I felt like कि हाँ चल ठीक है फटाफट खत्म करके I'll finish this product. It is good, but it is too hard on your skin. So I wouldn't recommend buying this. I know it's a organic blend and everything, but there are other organic blends of the coffee scrubs and everything in the market. But I think they can do better. I was not happy with this one. Next, we have the Moha Body Yogurt. I got this in PR. I did a video for them. Guys, this one is really good. I'm not saying it because I got it in PR or got it paid, but I have really used it. Like it is like dahi, body dahi, and pata hai kya hota hai, when you apply it, it's so soft, it just melts in your skin and it doesn't leave your skin as sticky or like ऐसे उससे tingy होता है ना, when you apply like a cream and you're like oh अभी ये हो जाएगा चिपका चिपका. This didn't leave it at all. So I used to love using this on my legs and my hands. I just layered a lot of it and it kept your skin hydrated and nourished. So this is a definitely 9 on 10. One mark because I didn't really like the smell of it. Like use good smell, but I tend to not use a lot of fragrance wala items. So wo tha. So it has hemp seed oil, moringa, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, I think, which is why it is so good. But yeah, this is a really good one. Okay, then we have the Etomist Skin Barrier Repair Cream. I got this from Amazon. A friend from Instagram, Bhavna, she recommended this product to me, and I kid you not, it is really good. It's like a dermat wala face cream. It is really good. There is still a little in it, but I had to throw it because it's expired, and I tend to not use products after the expiry date, of course. Even if it's like a single day, I don't use it anymore. So yeah, this one is a good one. If you have, oh, I'm so sorry, my phone's not on silent. So there was a Mother's Day event tomorrow for Fossil, and I was really looking forward to it, but I had to get my mom, and my mom's not available. So I had to say no for the event, and I'm just a little tiny bit sad. Anyway, I would give a 9 on 10 if you have like super dry, sensitive skin. This is really, really, really good. Next, we have the Olaplex Hair Perfector in number 3. This hair mask is really good. I mean, Olaplex, जो भी products I use are super good, so I would definitely recommend this. Of course, इसका price point बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर price point में नहीं बैठ रहा है तो I would prefer you to try Love Beauty and Planet. Same situation, but different chemicals. But I really love Love Beauty and Planet more. And yeah, this one is still a good go-to. If you have the budget, you should definitely give it a try. Aveda Nutri Plenish. This is the conditioner. No, this is the treatment mask. Yeah, I have a little left again because it's out of the expiry date. I use this, but I mean, I wouldn't spend money on this again. I really prefer my Love Beauty and Planet hair masks and conditioners more. I mean, it didn't give me like, it was not that great. Okay, there are better conditioners and masks in the industry. So maybe like, and the smell also. I don't really like the smell of this. So it's like 6 on 10. Then we have the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I've emptied it. It was really good. You can use it only if you have like dry skin. This will help you a lot. Also, it has like a Johnson's Baby wala smell, fragrance. Yeah, it still does. It literally has the same fragrance. And one of the reasons why I really loved using this moisturizer, it just like, it was so nostalgic for me to use it. So I just like, yeah. Anyway, this is a really good one. Normal to dry skin, won't work for oily, sensitive skin types, and 8.5 on 10. Next is this Rimmel London Kind and Free Moisturizing Tint Foundation. It's too watery and it's expired now, but yeah, I kept it for a long time thinking I'll ki main kar lungi use, but 3 out of 10. I didn't really like the formulation and everything. There are better skin foundations in the market. Have Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. This one is so good. I finished it. I've got the new one, so I can't wait to start using that. This would be 8 out of 10, but it's on an expensive end, so I wouldn't say कि मतलब लेना ही ज़रूरी है. Y'all can of course go with the other body moisturizers in the budget. Nothing that great that is it does apart from just a luxury based body moisturizer. तो इतना कुछ ये नहीं है कि हाँ मतलब चाहिए ही चाहिए, इससे लाइफ बदल जाएगी. Not that great, but yeah, decent enough for the luxury price point. Next is this Victoria's Secret Pear Glands lotion. It has fragrance lotion written. I don't know why the hell did I even open it in the first place. I wish I could like make y'all smell this product. It is so I can't use the word. It is so freaking heavy scented. I don't like. Every time I use it on my leg, like every time I used it on my leg used to start itching. Like there was tingling and itching. That's when I knew like this fragrance is not working out for me. So I gave up. And this is expiring in this month. No, it is not expired yet. Yeah, but I can't use it. It's expiring in this month, and I wouldn't even give this to someone else to use. Like, I'll tell you what's happening. Look, it's very. You see how liquidy it is, and I don't like the fragrance. It is so harsh. It feels like my perfume के bottle में मैंने lotion डाल दिया है और वो मैं मुझे लगा रही हूँ. I know it says fragrance lotion, but this is not good. 3 out of 10. I'm sorry, Victoria's Secret. I really love you guys, but that's just not it. Okay, next is this AHC Perfection sunscreen stick. खत्म कर दिया मैंने. थोड़ा बचा हुआ है, but वो अभी टूट रहा है, and it's just not using. I know as a brown girl, I could use it. Yeah, I'm just देख ये हो रहा है. So I don't know. There's no way I can just continue using it, but this was a really good sunstick. I would give it a 9 out of 10. If you're on the go and everything, it covers really well the entire area. The only thing is कि तेको समझ में आएगा कि तू sunscreen लगा रही है, ठीक है? तो मतलब वो ऐसे ना, it will leave you that heaviness on your skin. Like sunscreens कैसे होता है कि the one that I'm using is very lightweight, so when you apply it ना नहीं समझ में आता है. But if you're applying this, like you'll know that हाँ ठीक है तूने एक layer लगाया है, so it gets heavier. So 9 on 10 overall for the wonders it does. 1 point for the heaviness. Minus हो गया. Yeah. Sorry. Next is this Nykaa Naturals apple cider vinegar not body, hair conditioner. Expire हो गया है guys. तो मैं फेंक रही हूँ इसको. I used it for a bit but didn't show a lot of efforts on me. It worked good for my mom, not for my hair. So yeah, I didn't really use it, so I can't really rate it. Just being honest. So yeah. Same thing goes for this one, the hair mask. But you know what? The Nykaa Naturals, the hair serum, the scalp serum, and the hair masks are really good. So I would ask you guys to recommend, like, to try this out. So yeah, this one is the apple cider vinegar ginger hair mask. So like 6 on 10, it's good. I loved this one actually. So this is the Dove Deep Repair Treatment Hair Mask. I actually got this from Nykaa during the sale. Dove is something else for your hair. I know it has a lot of sulfate and stuff, but this really did my hair good. Like it left my hair so soft. I was so shocked. So I would definitely recommend you to try this out. So like 8 on 10. Next is this Cetaphil Optimal Hydration Body Spray. This is amazing for on the go. It has like a spray thing and it is very light moisturizer. So it kept my skin very hydrated. So बहुत ही अच्छा है. So I would give it like a 7 on 10. It's good like application wise and everything. Beach में the pump had like some issues but I got it fixed. So yeah, I see the products have a lot of dust. So you know that I've kept it for a long time. Love this guy. I can't tell you how much. This is the Gunam Daily Liquid Exfoliant. I am so sad that this is over. But Gunam, if you're watching this, please send this over to me. I know in my last skincare video I said the moisturizer was so bad because yeah, I did not like the fragrance. But this is a game changer. I loved it. It left my skin so soft and smooth. You won't even believe it. Like it's really good. You should definitely try this because it's basically like a toner, but it's a liquid exfoliant, and I used to use it every night like a toner. It was really good. You should definitely give it a try. 10 on 10. You know when I give a product 10 on 10, it means it is good. इतना सब बचा है, मैं part 2 कर दूँ क्या? This is the Bath and Body Works Sunset Glow. Again, बहुत fragrance था and I got bored of using it. So 7 on 10. This is the Bare Anatomy Hair Serum. So I am still going through like a telogen effluvium phase जहाँ पे your hair just sheds out. So I was using this way before. So मुझे इतना फर्क नहीं दिखा है, but it did work for my baby hair, I think, thoda, but I think it's the overall work also with the dermat meds and everything. So I wouldn't give this bottle like the entire, the entire credits. So it does help, but I wouldn't tell you कि ये बस यही solution है hair growth के लिए. So this would be like a 7 on 10. The Dr. Sheth's Aloe and Panthenol Hydrating Gel. This is really good, decent, but मतलब मैं बहुत पहले यूज़ करती थी. अभी I wouldn't go back to it. Not a great fan. मतलब decent enough. Guts on me to yawn while talking to you all. I'm so sorry. I'm just... Hey, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Why is the... Really in like a bitchy mood, huh? Skin. So this is the Skin Diet Beetroot Moisturizer. I still have a few left. It was really good. I used to only use it for my travel, but abhi expire ho gaya, so I'm not sure if I should even like use it anymore. But it was really good. It has traveled with me for most of my styling projects, so this is good. 6 on 10. This is the Elmis Pro Collagen Rosemary. Okay, this one is so good. This is the Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Guys, पूरा का पूरा निचोड़ दिया है मैंने इसको, मतलब and I know कि ये बहुत expensive है. I got it in PR, but if I have to spend some money on skincare, like a heavy budget, I would definitely buy this again. But very good on your skin. It's a really good moisturizer for like combination to oily, not fully oily, but combination skin type. It's really good. I would definitely recommend it. But my Lacoste perfume, it's empty. Daily Memories from last year. It's out. This is a 10 on 10 perfume for like a daily wear for me. So yeah, and it's long lasting as well. So have Do You in Defense. This one is really good. If you ever get an offer on this product, just buy it. Trust me, just buy it. I'm just wishing if it's there. It's not actually, just over. This is so good. It's very lightweight on your skin. It's pink in color. Anyway, even the cream is pink in color, but it's very lightweight. It's super soothing and it just dissolves in your skin. So it's good for the summers as well. So like 9 on 10. Next we have is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. बहुत अच्छा है. The price point is at a higher level, but it's really, really good. Although Laneige products have like a specific kind of fragrance that I'm not मतलब ऐसे dedicated to, but this is a great sleeping mask. Like overnight your skin has like a specific glow. Again, not any other brand that can not do this kind of a glowy effect, but decent enough for a repurchase if you want to. So like 8 on 10. Okay, next is this Rituals Hydra Boost Complex Foaming Shower Gel. You don't get this in India, okay? I got this through a friend to try it out. It is so good. It's really good. I love the product. I would give it a 10 on 10, but the packaging, if you so the packaging is weird. So if I just do this, it's a whole lot of thing that comes out. So I think they need to just work on the packaging. The product and the aftermath of using it is really good. It's 10 on 10, and that's about it. आधी बैग भी खत्म नहीं हुई है, मतलब है और भी है. Luma Advanced Skin Lotion, Skin Brightening Lotion. Why do I have this? I think I got this in PR. But कुछ brightening हुआ नहीं है. I did apply it on my underarms. It didn't work, so I wouldn't recommend it ever. So 3 out of 10. Body Wise Roll-On. Remember when I said that this was really good and I've repurchased this in my last skincare MT video? I did repurchase it, but this is my underarm status. My underarms are nowhere close to getting lighter. This is the second tube, and I'm not sure if it's just a marketing gimmick or does it even work, because it's not working so far. My underarms are still dark, and I don't know. But like for a daily regular wear underarm for like fragrance free situation, this one is like good to go. So like an 8 on 10. But lightning wala part, I cannot give you guarantee of this. So yeah, don't get influenced. Is this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Absolutely good for like sensitive skin or like dry to normal skin. Not great for oily. It doesn't do anything to you. So for dry to normal skin, this is a 9 on 10. Remember when I said I got like a new blender from Prosh? I used it within the second day. It got like all like fungusy and like bacteria shit. I don't know how. It was washed and it was kept on open. I don't know how it got the. This is really weird. Within that 3 days of me using it. So I'm just dumping it. When I say you need this hair mask and I would recommend it 100%, I mean it. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender 2-minute magic mask. Chef's kiss, girls. Chef's kiss. Please definitely try it out. It works magic. When it says it's a magic mask, I would recommend this over Olaplex. So you should definitely try this out. Yeah, the tub is empty. Indian Planet Bond Repair Shampoo, chef's kiss, 10 on 10. Just कि इसका conditioner अभी भी है मेरे पास. I don't know if it's you or it's me, but my shampoo always gets over before my conditioner. I just don't know why. So now I have like 3 conditioners left, but उनके shampoo पहले ही खत्म हो गए हैं, तो I'm still using it. Yeah, this is my favorite. It's over. It's the L'Occitane Shea Butter Body Lotion. I love this fragrance so much. If someone can just do this into a perfume for me, I would die. It's so good. I love this fragrance for some reason. I don't know. It's so good on the body. After doing your shower, when you just apply this, your body smells like heaven. I would definitely buy this again. 10 on 10. Rice water and niacinamide SPF. You know, when you've like pumped it like this, it is good. 11 on 10. Go for it. It's a great sunscreen. It's very lightweight. If you have oily skin, this one's a win-win, so you should definitely try it. Brand. So this is the Moroccan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. It was the hydration one. I have a little left. No, khatam kiya maine. Wow, it's over. It was good. It was really good. So it was like 9 on 10. I think the pump was like a spray pump, so it just went everywhere. So I used to take it on my hand and then just like put it on my hair for like good curls. So 9 on 10. This is the Chemist at Play AHA body lotion. This is really good. Again, the smell was very Shea, and this one was very thick. एंड आई एम नॉट लाइक अ पर्सन हु लाइक्स थिक मॉइस्चराइजर्स, तो मैं ये पैर पे लगा के मैंने बहुत से ख़त्म किया है इसको लाइक ज़बरदस्ती. मतलब विद इन 5 days आई गॉट बोर्ड ऑफ द कंसिस्टेंसी बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी थिक एंड I just don't like thick moisturizers in the Bombay weather. I want something that's light and easily soaks in and still keeps hydrating, which is why I love the other one. So if you are into thick moisturizers, if your skin is super dry, then go for this. Then yeah, for me, I would give it like a 5 on 10. But if you have like super dry skin and you want it hydrated and want to work on your skin type, then then like 7 on 10. So you can give it a try. This is a kind clean slate hydrating cleanser. Hydrating cleansers don't work that great for me. My mom used it and she hated it. She's like, क्या है इसमें foam ही नहीं आ रहा है. And I was like, okay, even her skin type is like combination and oily, so I get it. But I just finished it for like mornings. I used to just I use this for my morning cleanser and just cleanse my skin. So not to like get rid of more of the oil, it won't. So it's only good for like, it says it's for all skin types, but didn't work for me as a combination skin type. Morning it did. Evening I really want my oil glands to just get rid of them. So it did work for me in the morning. So like maybe like 6 on 10, but CeraVe or Cetaphil is much better. Is this Dot & Key Strawberry Melt-In Cleansing Balm for your makeup. This really stings my eye. This product is full, like it's there. It has a very huge fragrance that I hate. It's very strong fragrance that I hate, and also when I am trying to remove my makeup, it's my eyes start burning, and which is why I just stopped using it. I was like, I'm not using it because I really don't want to get into the ingredient list. So I've stopped using this. So it didn't work out for me. 4 on 10. 4 I don't even know why I'm giving at this point because it stings my eye. So like 2 on 10. Cream cleanser, good for dry to normal skin type, not for combination or oily skin. So overall good. For dry to normal, I would give it a 7 on 10. Actually, Simple is good in terms of skincare, so 8 on 10. Dior makeup cleansing wet wipes. It was really good. It removed my makeup in a swipe, so I really like this one. 9 on 10. So Moroccan Oil Volumizing Mist. Although I felt like this made my hair a little stiffer instead of softer, so I did not prefer this more. But agar I used to blow dry and everything, then I used to use this. It still has a little. It's expired, so I'm throwing it off. So like 6 on 10. Good. This one is the Akind on Cloud 9 moisturizer. Again, this was with probiotics and peptide complex. I finished it, but मैंने end में ना ऐसे ज़बरदस्ती ख़त्म किया है, ठीक है? But it was very soft and very lightweight, ठीक है? मतलब ऐसा it was not like too harsh or like too thick on my skin. It was very lightweight. It would just soak in very easily. So like an 8 on 10. This Benefit Pore Professional Cleanser is really good. So 8 on 10. Sunscoop Invisible Sunscreen. ये transparent है इसमें, but ये भी expire हो गया है, तो I don't want to use it. It's transparent. Again, same thing, gel and like dry touch one, and it's invisible. So it's good if you want those kind of sunscreens. It's non-comedogenic, no white cast, and it has broad spectrum. So you can definitely try this out. 9 on 10. Wow, the light just changed. The sun is just acting up. Is it being dramatic? Wow. It's a day before my period, guys. This is just me. Okay, the sun's back and so is my mood. Anyway, the next is the Sweet Pea fragrance. This is the Bath and Body Works. I technically used it as a room freshener because it's too sweet for my body. I have this though. I want to make a video of the 14 days if it works or no. But जितनी बार भी मैंने ये try किया है, सेम डिफरेंस दिखा है मुझे. कुछ ऐसे वाइट नहीं दिखा है. माई टीथ आर येलो एंड it just stays yellow. Like there's no huge difference. It's just a freaking gimmick. Just go to your dentist and get your teeth situation sorted, guys. Fit brow pencil. You all know absolutely how I love this. I have like 10 of them that I've already used, and I'm on my 9th one or whatever. But this is so good. Definitely, it's 11 on 10. What the hell makes this shade? For whom is this shade? It won't even suit anybody. It's my favorite lipstick, okay? Nobody can tell me that this is not my favorite lipstick. It is empty. It's dried off and it's empty. It's in the shade Gulabi. It's from Smashbox. It's really good. Do give it a try. 10 on 10. Estee Lauder. But you know what has happened? This. And it smells so bad. Freaking Bombay weather has done this to my Estee Lauder. Next is this Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen. It's non-comedogenic, which is why I loved it. I think you can feel the heaviness on your skin when I tell you what I'm trying to say. Sunscreen, but again, it will feel heavy on your skin. Overall, but if you really want like water and sweat resistant gel type sunscreen, this is really good. It won't, मतलब पानी भी नहीं टच करेगा इसको, नहीं जाता है ये, ठीक है? You want to see how messy the bed is right now with all the product that's in my bed. You see this mess? Okay, do you see this mess? The giveaway will go live whenever this video goes live, and I will post the giveaway winner on my broadcast channel. All the rules will be added, and this is all that you'll be getting. Whoever wins, it's the La Shield Probiotic Moisturizer. It's the Fix Shadow SPF 50 sunscreen, salicylic acid face wash from Dermaco, Lakme, the Haya new range liquid lipstick, and I'll also add a few things in this from whatever new PR I get. Be a part of this giveaway. You can follow me on Instagram, follow me on subscribe me on my YouTube channel, comment on any of my Instagram reels, videos, however you like. Keep commenting, keep supporting me. And also, once you're done with it, just mention done in my comment section for this specific video, and I will choose from the comments and I will let you know about it. Hope you guys enjoyed and loved this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.